celebrated as Kargil Memorial Day to remember and honor the great soldiers who participated in Kargil War. Kargil War took place in the mountain of Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir against Pakistan. On this day in 1999, Indian Army successfully recaptured the high outposts in Kargil districts. Kargil War was not just a battle it was a battle for our nation, honor and security. Our soldiers, the real heroes, faced harsh weather-rugged mountains and enemies. With incredible courage and determination, they reclaimed our land erosion that our flag continued to fly high. On this day, we pay tribute to heroes who laid down their lives in the line of duty. Let us also to contribute to our nation progress and uphold the principles they forget for. Thank you.